Welcome to our rainy adventure in Trang An. Join us as we explore the mystical landscape of Binh, Vietnam. Despite the September showers, our spirits were undampened, and the beauty of the Halong Bay on land shone through. We're taking you along on a serene journey through the emerald waters of Trang An. This enchanting landscape is a tapestry of towering limestone cliffs and mystical caves. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to join us on more adventures around the globe.
Woof!